Hello and welcome back. Today we'll be solving the 12th problem of 55 physics problem for CSIR UGC NET June 2019. So the problem goes something like this. Note these kind of problems are mark scoring problems. So basically if you know the formula, you will be able to get easy 3 marks or 5 marks depending on the type of problem. Well, if you try to solve this problem manually in examination hall, then good luck, you might waste a lot of time. So let's start. We know that the general formula for this kind of integral, that is 0 to 2 pi d theta by a plus b cos theta, is equal to 2 pi by root over a square minus b square if a is greater than b. Now if we compare the values, you will see that b is 4 and a is 5. So basically b is 4 and a is 5. Now just plug in these values in this formula and you get the answer. So basically what I can do is I can write 2 pi by root over 5 square minus 4 square, which is 2 pi by root over 25 minus 16, and that is 2 pi by root over 9, so it is 2 pi by 3. Right? Now there is one more catch in this. This is the value for the integral which is 0 to 2 pi. Okay, now to get the value for 0 to pi, which is half, you need to divide by 2. So the correct answer will be 2 pi by 3 times half, which is pi by 3. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. So this kind of problem can be easily solved. Just remember this kind of formulas, such as 2 pi d theta by a plus b sine theta. Okay, and maybe like 0 to infinity 1 by 1 plus x to the power 4. Like this kind of integral, you should remember the integration values. These are very standard and important. So that's it. If you like the way I am teaching, do subscribe to our channel, ring the notification bell, also give a like and comment your thoughts. Thank you for watching and take care.